In this video, I will show you how to change display orientation in Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If for any reasons you love to change your display orientation on your Windows 11 computer or your PC, what you're going to do right now, click on this click on the settings. Once I've clicked on the settings, wait for it to open up. Once it has opened up, you're going to click on this display right. And from this display options, there's a whole lot of orientation right here, right? This is it. You can see the landscape, the portrait, landscape flip. So if I click on this right now, you can see how everything just turned upside down, right? So I'm gonna just revert this. So you can select from your own preferred choice, and yeah, so this is basically how this works, right? So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.